So let's start right from the top. Target CPA. You can see here, sets bids to get the most conversions possible while reaching your average cost per acquisition goal. So you set the goal. So if you clicked on this, you'd set what you want to pay per lead. Okay, and AdWords will figure out all the complex bidding strategies in the background, and they'll send you leads based on what you set here. This is target return on ad spend. So as you can see here, it sets bids to help you get the most conversion value while maintaining your target return on ad spend. So that's what it stands for, return on ad spend. So it's the same deal. How much do you want to get? What's your target return on ad spend you want to get? 50%, 100%, whatever. Then Google will use its algorithms, go behind the scenes, and calculate all your bids and auto bid for you to get that target for you. Maximize clicks. This is something we use a lot, and when it first came out, we misused it, I should say, and we got screwed because you got to be careful. So it sets bids to help you get the most clicks within your budget, as you can see here. So you set it. Now, this is what we did not do the first time we did it. Maximum CPC bid limit. So let's say you're in the roofing niche. You want to set a bid limit because Google will bid $150 for a keyword, and you'll pay it. And if you don't get a lead, you're screwed. Maximize conversions. So this basically, you need to have a campaign that's already had a lot of conversion data. I believe it's 20, minimum 20 conversions in the last 30 days. And it basically takes your conversion data history, and it will auto bid for you to drive as many conversions as possible within your ad budget. So target search page location. This sets bids, you can see here, sets bids to help you with your ads at the top of the page or in the first page of search results. This is something that you want to set up. So you can either choose the top of the page or anywhere in the first results page. If you choose this, you're probably going to be on the bottom, and you might as well be on page 197. You're not going to get seen. So whenever we use a strategy, we use the top of the first page results. Target outranking share. So this is basically for big branding campaigns. Basically, you can put in the domain of your competitors, and you can say, I don't ever want to be below this guy or above this guy or whatever you want to do, and then Google will make sure your ad is always where you want it to be. That's pretty much it. Enhance CPC. Just kind of, adjust your bids manually up and down to increase conversions based on. So basically, it's manual PPC, but when you have enhanced setup, Google will say, all right, well, he's manual bidding, but this keyword's driving, a ton of conversions, and he's not adjusting the bids to get more conversions. So we're just going to auto take it over for you, and we'll just up it a little bit and get you more conversions.